Do you believe that for $5,000 you can start a small manufacturing business right in your garage? I found 88 machines that will allow you to do just that. Some of the machines are fully automatic, allowing you to earn almost passive income. Let's get started. 88. A truly incredible machine has been invented by the engineers. It is a desktop CNC machine with automatic tool change. As they say themselves, their goal of providing a machining center at the desktop CNC price. This equipment will be a great help for any type of manufacturing business, and it is a pleasure to watch how it changes. Cutters without errors. 87. In your garage, you can open a small ice cream machine. With this automatic machine, all you have to do is load the ingredients and turn the machine on. Then it's just a matter of assembling and packaging the finished confectionery. 86. And with this chocolate machine, which costs only $450, you will be able to glaze nuts and candies with a layer of chocolate or caramel. The device of the machine is extremely simple. The drum rotates and is heated from below to melt the glaze. Then, when all the nuts are evenly covered with a layer of chocolate glaze, the drum is no longer heated, and the chocolate hardens into an even layer on each nut. A delicious snack is ready. 85. Check out these sculptures machines by modern Italian artist Filippo Castrovinci. His ever-evolving research and experimentation with new design techniques and innovative creations result in these modern sculptures. These sculptures can be easily replicated with a CNC laser cutter, but they are quite expensive, so you can buy a less powerful CNC cutter for wood and acrylic. Having understood the programs, you can start to create and sell sculptures. Such sculptures will not leave anyone indifferent and immediately line up buyers. 84. Molds of chocolate machine. An excellent solution if you want to start confectionery production. The device of the machine is simple, similar to the machine for glazing. Liquid chocolate is poured into the mold, and then with the help of rotary movements, it is distributed in an even layer on the mold and hardens. The finished products can be sold or filled with additional ingredients. 83. This is a dehydrator machine. With this machine, you can make chips from fruits and vegetables, make beef jerky, dry fish, squid, berries, and much more. 82. And this is a freeze-drying machine. By lowering the temperature, this machine can dry not only fruits and vegetables, but also liquids and ready meals. Such machines are used to make soup packs for astronauts and hikers. All liquid is evaporated from the product, and its shelf life is increased. And to cook a dish, it is enough to add water. 81. The next machine is also for the making of semi-finished products, but frozen. It is used to prepare barbecue blanks, ready-made. Sets will be appreciated because the end user will not have to think about anything, only about making a fire. 80. If you want to work in the food business but do not want to produce edible products, you can make foam delivery containers. 79. These are made using molds by heating a foam sheet and forming the desired shape of the container. 78. With this mini machine, you can cut your soap into finished bars. You can either buy blanks, cut and package, or you can brew your own soap, adding unique fragrances and coming up with a unique design. 77. Such a fully automatic machine for the production of napkins costs only $4,500. All you need to do is buy a special roll of paper and start the machine, which will produce napkins without your participation. 76. This machine packs the pellets in a special bag that allows water to pass through but does not allow the pellets to float freely in the liquid. You can pack tea, healthy herbs, dried mushrooms, and other foods that require boiling water to prepare them. $75 for $3,500. You can buy a water bottling machine. You can bottle mineral water, carbonated drinks, kombucha, energy drinks, and so on. Also, at the initial stage of production, you can buy a manual machine for sticking a label on the bottle. The machine is very easy to use, and also its main advantage is the price of only $50 to $75. 73. Many production of hard candy can be opened right in the garage for less than $5,000. The main component of such candies is sugar, which is very cheap after converting it into candy. handy. The price of the product will increase significantly. 72. A machine for pouring into small containers is great for pouring perfume. Absolutely. Any perfume can be purchased online in large canisters for relatively little money. After bottling and labeling, the perfume will cost several times more. You can also buy unusual bottles, which are also cheap and will increase the price of the perfume. 71. If your budget is even more limited, you can buy a liquid filling machine even cheaper. For $50, you can buy a semi-automatic machine with one nozzle. Great opportunity to start a business from scratch. 70. Hydraulic mini excavator on Caterpillar. A great purchase for those who want to do construction. Costs only $2,500 and can handle up to 3 tons of force. 69. A small machine for packing coffee, tea, and spices. It can also be used to pack products from the previous machines: dried fruit, glazed nuts, hard candies, and any other small loose items. It doesn't necessarily have to be something edible. You can pack small self-tapping screws, for example. 68. Also, liquids can be packed into a sachet with this kind of small sachet filling machine. The machine, along with shipping to the US, will cost you $2,000. 67. A great way to get started with such a small laser cleaning machine. You can clean rust from metal products, car discs, metal sheets. You can also remove paint from surfaces. Offer your services on local message boards and you won't be out of work. 66. A small benchtop drilling milling machine can help you machine metal parts to make custom parts, and you can also use it to create sculptures and furnishings like Filippo Castrovinci. 65. And this CNC tabletop milling machine for aluminum and wood can help you create high precision parts without your input. Use it to create decorative elements and interior items. 64. This automatic small production extruder allows you to make corn sticks. The process is fully automated. Human involvement in production is minimal. Buying it with a machine packer, you can start producing corn sticks for about $2,500. 63. The tartlet mold will allow you to bake perfect tartlets right at home. Sell them plain to restaurants and stores, or fill them with stuffing and sell them as finished products. 62. A small machine for making biscuits and cookies. You can use it to start a small biscuit factory right at home. Bake them in your home oven. 61. Or buy an industrial convection oven for baking breads, cakes, and cookies. Such an oven can be placed right in your home or garage. It's a nice investment for starting a home bakery. 60. This machine can produce plopping balls for boba tea. This drink never loses its popularity. Coffee shops are in constant need of these balls to produce this divine drink. 59. A thermoforming machine for the production of plastic containers will produce disposable utensils for takeout or delivery. People are already used to ordering food with delivery from a restaurant or cafe, so you'll have a lot of work to do. 58. And this extruder will allow you to produce dry dog and cat food. All you have to do is purchase raw materials from a nearby farm and start production. 57. In this Rolladell business channel, we've talked a lot about 3D printing as a business, and 3D printing is gaining momentum. So I suggest you start producing filament for 3D printers by recycling plastic waste. You give plastic a second life, and 3D printing fans material for this very printing. 56. You can also recycle paper waste and make paper trays for eggs. With this machine you can do this semi-automatically, sell the finished products to farmers, and clean the earth of waste. 55. The machine for automatic production of lollipops on a stick is another example of automatic production from sugar. We've already mentioned how profitable it is, so you can try your hand at this industry. 54. A manual machine for filling thick liquids into containers is another example of ultra-budget production right at home. Jars can be filled with cream, shampoo, honey, and other viscous liquids. Add your brand to it and start making money. 53. Cardboard packaging for takeout or delivery is the new trend. By making such packaging, you are ridding the earth of plastic waste. Also, such packaging is more attractive for restaurants and cafes because it can be easily branded. 52. Automatic packaging machine for water. or fruit juice. Such packaging is also used for packaging baby food. 51. A machine for filling air cushions and bubble wrap. People are increasingly ordering goods on marketplaces and online stores, so such a product is vital for retailers. Such a machine can be set up right at home, and it costs only $200. 50. A small machine for recycling plastic, PVC, and pet waste has a double melting extruder. 49. The raw material obtained from the waste can be used to create 3D printing filament plastic products or sold. 48. And this is an industrial automatic equipment for the production of tapioca pearls. These balls are also used for making boba tea. The shape of the balls is customizable from 0.1 inches to 0.5. 47. Cosmetics will always be in demand, so I suggest a small machine for heating, mixing, and shaping. Cosmetics is an incredibly marginal business, so making lipstick would be a great start. 46. A nail polish pouring machine would also be a great start to a cosmetics company. Also, look into a machine for making pens from recycled paper. With the growing trend of eco-friendly living, such pens will sell well. 45. Buying such a machine for slicing bananas and other fruits and vegetables will help you start your banana chips production. You will also need a dehydrator, and you can get started. 44. With this automatic mini cutting plotter, you will be able to cut stickers to the outline. It supports sheets up to A3 size. Produce car stickers with the owner's social media product labels, price tags, credit card stickers with unique designs. The application options for such a plotter are huge. 43. Automatic machine for filling sauces will allow you to pour liquids into convenient packages. You can produce them yourself or buy ready-made raw materials. 42. The next idea is a machine for the production of metal sponges. This is inexpensive but always in demand. The action of such a machine comes down to the fact that you fill it with stainless steel wire, and then the machine is already working independently. You only need to get ready sponges and send them to the packaging. Such a machine in China can be bought for $2,200. 41. Vacuum forming machines will allow you to make parts for cars such as bumpers, fenders, overlays, as well as a variety of molds for casting, paving tiles, artificial stone, and monuments, mannequins, packaging signs, and so on. This is a machine for splitting logs. It can be used to make and sell firewood for fireplaces, furnaces, and campgrounds. It runs on gasoline and has a force of 25 tons. 39. Another machine for processing wood, this time into pellets. Such wood pellets are used in agriculture, and it is also possible to make fish food. 38. And this is a machine for compressing coal. Such charcoal is used as fuel for individual and industrial heating boilers, as well as for retail sale to barbecue enthusiasts. 37. A small machine for the production of nails works fully automatically from. You will only need to fill it with wire and pack the finished products. 36. A little more expensive. You can buy a machine for producing self-tapping screws and small bolts. It is also automatic and requires minimal human presence. 35. An automatic, computerized glove knitting machine looks like magic. It automatically knits gloves and can run 24 hours, 7 days a week, bringing you almost passive income. 34. You can also make clothes hangers from wire. Fully automatic machines will help you in this, and such a wonderful thing costs only $2,500. 33. A simple and efficient machine for making noodles. Pasta and macaroni will allow you to produce up to 65 pounds of products per hour. One machine costs only $580, making it attractive to budding entrepreneurs. 32. Medical cotton swabs are another in-demand item whose demand won't drop after years. Yes, this machine is also fully automatic, which will allow you to produce the products without any problems. 31. Another disposable personal hygiene item is bamboo toothpicks. The price of the machine is $3,000. 30. With this machine, you will be able to provide key-making services of any complexity. Your customers are hotels, companies, and individuals. 29. Rubber floor. Tile vulcanizing press machine is another option for those who care about nature and do not mind making some money. 28. Coloring crushed stone is an activity that increases the value of the product several times over. For this, you will need a concrete mixer, paint, and crushed stone. Of course, Such crushed stone is used as a decoration in the yard as well as in architecture. 27. And with this machine, you can make wax pencils. This machine is semi-automatic and requires a full-time worker. It costs $3,800. 26. Such a small machine for $60 allows you to make stamps for documents. The stamp is made fully automatically with the help of a photosensitive element. 25. This automatic machine makes dumplings, ravioli, spring rolls, and other products with filling inside the dough. These products keep frozen for a long time and have tons of fans, so you won't be out of work. 24. What's the most popular beer appetizer? That's right, it's smoked fish meat. I found a fairly large smokehouse for you to make these products at home. The cost is only $2,500. 23. And this is an automatic machine that makes vertical blinds. 22. If you want to sew curtains, this automatic curtain pleating machine is a must-buy. With it, you will be able to pleat curtains, increasing the quality in value of the product. 21. With an electric brewing machine, you can start making homemade craft beer. Experiment with the recipe, collect feedback, and perfect your product. This machine for making scrapbooks, journals, and menus has 14 functions. You can use it to fold sheets, staple albums, make round corners on pages, create hardcovers, and more. 19. The automatic egg incubator will allow you to raise chicks right in your garage. It runs on both mains power and battery power. The incubator for 100 eggs costs only $42. 18. And this machine produces Mexican tortillas, Indian chapati tortillas, or Armenian pita bread. 17. The corn flake. Washing machine is simple and efficient to operate. 16. Another chain machine that requires metal wire to operate the machine will produce 400 pounds of chain per hour or more, depending on the model and thickness of the wire. Chain is used in construction, marine, livestock, and automotive applications, so there won't be any problems with customers. 15. A small glass bottle cutter for $6 will allow you to open a mini production of decorative glasses for bars. 14. Automatic embroidery machine. You load the pattern you want to embroider into the program, fasten the clothes on the machine, and the image is automatically embroidered. If you want to build your brand or create unique custom clothing, this would be a great purchase. 13. To argue with the fact that coffee has now gained unprecedented popularity in all countries makes no sense. Prices for coffee. Roasting machines from China start at $2,500. You also need to buy quality, fresh coffee beans and start experimenting with roasting. Cafes and restaurants need freshly roasted beans because they make the best coffee. 12. Making and selling edible cups for coffee can be an interesting and promising business. Such a product is becoming increasingly popular as it is more environmentally friendly than standard plastic cups and allows you to enjoy coffee without the use of additional utensils. They are made from dough, sugar wafers, or other components. 11. Fully automatic agarbatti incense machine. This machine will allow you to make incense without much effort, and the demand for such a product is increasing every year. I honestly did not expect that an automatic machine for the production of sanitary pads for women can cost within $4,000. This is a highly demanded disposable product, hence the demand will always be high. 9. Automatic sheet metal bending machines for 3D signage will help to start a business in the field of outdoor advertising and volumetric signage without any problems. 8. The demand for tattooing services is increasing year on year despite the recession. The demand for laser tattoo removal is also on the rise. With this laser machine, you will be able to provide such a service. 7. There is also a growing demand for laser hair removal. A special 1600-watt diode laser from Germany will cost $3,650. 6. Within $4,000, it is possible to buy a printing machine for clothes and print custom designs, or create your own clothing brand with a unique design. 5. A Mellinger is a device for rolling cocoa beans, nuts, grains, and seeds in the process of making chocolate and nut pastes. If you have dreamed of producing natural chocolate or nut paste, this is the right choice. 4. Carpet deep cleaning equipment is another investment of up to $4,000 that will pay for itself quickly, provide deep cleaning services, and give new life to carpets. 3. With a high-resolution 3D printer, you can print highly detailed figurines, as well as create unique jewelry. I talked about it in more detail in this video. 2. A fully automatic aluminum can sealing machine would be a great purchase for those who want to sell beverages. Aluminum cans are more environmentally friendly and attractive to customers than plastic bottles. One vibratory finishing machine is a container in which metal parts and abrasive material are placed. The machine is then turned on, and under the influence of vibration, the abrasive polishes the metal parts. This method is especially popular for polishing automobile discs.